Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to highlight text in Canva. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can do this. So open up your design with the text that you want to highlight. So if you want to highlight a specific word, what you can do is drag and drop your mouse over the word you want to highlight and then click on the text color. We can change one word to a different color. So say something like red. So when I click out on the design, you can see that word has been highlighted. Another way to highlight a specific word is by using a shape. So I can use like a square and I can drag and drop that over the word like so. Make sure it fits. And you can see that is highlighted. I can also change the color of that highlight to whatever you want, which is quite cool. You can give it something a bit funky, like a gradient color or something bright, or if you have like brand colors, you can use those. So that's the second way you can highlight text. And the third way, if you want to highlight a whole sentence, I can click on the sentence, then click on effects, then click on background, and this will put an instant background to your text. Again, you can adjust the color, you can adjust the roundness of that background, you can adjust the spread to make it bigger or smaller, and adjust the transparency to make it a little bit lighter or darker. So that's it. That's how to highlight text in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.